Get in your hands and knees position and spread out your fingers and shift your weight over your fingertips. Your shoulders should stay well away from your ears, and be sure to maintain that space between them throughout the exercise. Tuck your toes under, and the legs should be directly underneath your hips. Do not look up while you're doing this exercise. Just look straight down between your fingertips. You should be in neutral spine so that your spine holds you still and protects your lower back. Then I want you to do an abdominal activation, and I want to make sure that your core is fully turned on and ready to accept this challenge. Do not round your back while you brace your abs. Just lift a hand without shifting your hands. And I want you to try that and see how that feels. Stay forward in your fingertips, and then when you are ready and balanced, lift the opposite leg without allowing any shift. Pretend you have a full cup of water on your back, and I don't want you to spill a single drop as you're doing this movement. Now try lifting the opposite arm and opposite leg together, nice and slowly at first. Now repeat on the other side and really work on lifting that arm and leg all the way up. It'll definitely take some practice, but soon you will be alternating right and left opposites like nobody's business.